Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by launching Safari. That's the only start you need. On iPhone or iPad, tap the tabs icon at bottom right and prepare to switch modes. On a Mac, open the Safari app now. Once done, make sure you know whether you want a new private session or to convert an existing tab, because private browsing isolates history and cookies immediately. You're starting the secure context now, so move to the mode switch without delay. Now switch into private browsing. On iPhone or iPad, tap Private in the lower left of the tab overview, then tap the plus button to open a private tab. That starts an isolated session. On a Mac, use File, New Private Window, or press Shift-Command-N to open a private window immediately. Once inside, Safari stops saving browsing history, search entries, and cookies for that session, which is why you use it. Make sure any needed tabs are moved into the private window before continuing. Finish by closing private tabs or the private window. On iPhone, tap Done, then switch out of private, and on Mac, close the private window. You should verify that no new history or auto-fill entries were saved. Reopen Safari and check Recently Closed or History. It will be empty for that session. If you see saved entries, disable iCloud Safari, sync temporarily, or clear data in settings, because sync can reintroduce history. That troubleshooting step resolves most persistence issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.